Welcome to Takewin Studios, where your vision meets reality. We are your partner for all your creative needs. Discover how we can elevate your brand and deliver unforgettable experiences through our comprehensive suite of services. Ready to transform your brand's journey and connect with your audience on a deeper level? Look no further. Whether it's strategic branding, dynamic product launches, or exciting unboxing events, Takewin Studios has you covered. Our innovative solutions boost your brand's presence and create memorable moments. From meticulously planned product launches to engaging unboxing events, we ensure your audience is left in awe. Get ready to stand out and shine. Our creative hub is where ideas come to life. From brainstorming to fully fleshed out concepts, our team collaborates with you every step of the way. We turn your vision into compelling content that captivates your audience. In the Writer's Corner, we plan every detail: storyboarding, casting, script breakdowns, and more, to ensure a seamless production process. Our art direction team starts with thorough planning and designs exquisite sets, wardrobe, and makeup to elevate your story. In our production house, we bring your vision to life with exceptional video production services, crafting captivating videos for corporate, documentary, and commercial projects. Our photography studio captures the essence of every moment. From corporate events to product showcases, we freeze time, creating lasting memories you can cherish forever. In our sound booth, skilled voice-over professionals and sound engineers create immersive soundscapes that captivate your audience and bring your projects to life. Our post-production services transform raw footage into captivating stories with seamless transitions and polished visuals. In our effects hub, we bring your dreams to life with dynamic animations and high-quality content that inspires. At Takewin Studios, we expertly craft and distribute your content across platforms, guiding you through publishing to captivate audiences globally. From planning to execution, we handle every aspect of your project, ensuring success and driving business growth. Let Takewin Studios be your partner in branding and product launches. We create exceptional branding and event experiences that drive customer loyalty. Contact us now for a free consultation and let us bring your vision to life. Takewin Studios, your vision realized.